Nothing.
Seriously, as a friend, even after so many times I told you not to do drugs, you never listen. Look at the situation that you're in now. You're hurting everyone who cares about you.
Lucas, aren't we best friends? I know what you have been through. Lucas, are you okay?
Nobody cares about me, so I don't need you to care about me, okay?
What?
Get lost.
What?
I think get lost!
Lucas!
Are you okay? I really miss you.
When are you coming home? I want to play with you. We haven't played in so long. I miss you. Dada said it's like a hotel stay. So how many nights are you staying? I still have the bed that you gave me. Can you be good? Can you come home quickly? I miss you.